Boys, girls, gamers, you just got that $1,000,000 idea about a game and you have just decided to turn the dream into a reality. So first of all, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. And if somehow this is your very first game dev related video, allow me to be the first to welcome you to the game dev community. Game dev is a hard job. It just is. There is no going around that. Especially now that the market is flooded with cash grab products. And it is very tough just to stay motivated. Even a single, simple, small scale game becomes a mountain of pile up of I will do it tomorrow. So today we will go through a few points about how I personally stay motivated when I'm making a game. No, I'm not here to make a motivational video about how you should get to work even if you don't want to wake up at 5 a.m. and open your computer. Sorry to say this, but that doesn't really work here. Why? Because game dev is a creative task. You can't just force your mind into thinking creatively. There's a reason why we come up with our best comebacks in the shower or on the throne. It's nearly impossible to trick your mind into working creatively. So what does that mean here? Does discipline not matter? No, it absolutely does. In fact, it is the most important thing that will allow you to complete your game. Remember, game dev contains a lot of stuff. And it's not just programming or art or music design. And there is no way you love to do all of that. And that's where discipline comes in. I generally dislike doing level design, artwork and SFX. That's one of the reasons why I usually go for procedurally generated stuff, so I don't have to drag everything into the place. But can I escape it? No, obviously not. You can't make a game without doing level designing. So what do? Well, I do it while I'm doing the stuff that I love to do, like doing programming, making the character, making all the mechanics of the game. Joining the things that you like to do and the things you don't like working on is the bridge that allows you to complete a game. Now, why does this work? Because I know when I'm done with the mechanics of this character, I need a world for it to be in. So I need to make the world. I hope that sort of makes sense. Whenever you start something, always realize when and how you're supposed to end it. This will usually happen to the stuff you like working on. Like I said, I love working on mechanics, so there have been multiple times where I just continued to work on something without realizing, do we really need it here? And listen, I don't like pre-planning at all, alright? But we have to do that to escape the loop of perfection, because that can't be attained. You think you can attain perfection, it's impossible. But we will continue to strive for that and just keep on wasting our time. So how to escape it? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Just do one simple thing. Remember the end goal. Say you are making some artwork. Do you really need to add that one frame to the animation, or is it working fine? Picture the final piece in mind and then stick to it. Adding changes is alright, but never overdo it. Because you will spend so much time here that you will lose time for other important but not so much rewarding stuff. One thing at a time. Humans are not multitaskers. If anyone tells you otherwise, they are lying. Because if you try to do everything everywhere all at once, nothing will work. Wait, say that again. But seriously, our mind is not capable of doing multiple stuff at the same time. And frankly, I still suffer from this problem. Multiple times I have Blender open for doing 3D modeling, meanwhile I'm doing programming and doing level design at the same time. So what's the result? You may think that you are doing faster work, but in reality you are just not getting any quality work at all. And when you think about it, it's not even quantity work as well. So while you believe you are doing more, you are never going to get the results you really wanted. When I had just completed my first simple FPS, I almost gave up on game dev. Cause after that I realized that an identical but much better FPS asset already exists on the store. So I thought this is the best that I can ever be. So what's even the point? And then I stopped making games for like 2 months. So what I'm trying to say is that never compare your work with someone else's. I know it's basic human instinct to compare yourself with others, but remember, they are them, you are you. They were you when they started as well. So get inspired from others' work, learn from others' work, but never say theirs is better than mine, or vice versa. That thinking will only lead us to the void. and the only reason to fall into the void is when you're playing Minecraft. You know how we feel when we get this line written on the screens in games? The same line also exists when we make a game. It's not visible. When you complete a fundamental part of a project, you need to realize that you have actually completed something. Don't focus on the remaining bit. Recognize the progress that you have done, because many times you will feel like, I'm on the same project for a month now and I haven't done anything. Always recognize what you have completed, what you have done, because that thing will give you the dopamine hit that you need to continue and stay motivated. You will get better eventually. It won't happen like you start writing your first piece of code today and then you're working in Rockstar making GTA 7 tomorrow. But you will get better. You know why? You know why you will get better eventually? Because when you keep doing the stuff that you love to do repeatedly, you just get better. Why are we using a game engine to make a game? Why not make a game engine and then make a game? Hell, why not first make an entire new language, then make a game engine, then make a game? Wait, why not make a computer first, then make... See how ridiculous that sounds? Well, you will sound the exact same way if you try to make something that already exists. The marketplace, asset store, Sketchfab, itch.io, they're all there to help us. Never try to reinvent the wheel. Now, does that mean never understand how the wheel works? No, understand how the wheel works. Go through that in details. But no need to make a new, unpolished wheel when multiple already exist that will fit your need, which are polished and people have already spent hours of their lives on it entirely for you, and you won't use it. Mostly it happens because of ego. So let it go, credit the person that made the thing you're using, and then use it entirely. Okay, so this is the last point, and I'm not gonna explain this, cause if you're still watching, then you can understand this yourself. Most first games fail. Most first ideas fail. Your first games will most probably fail as well. But the thing is, you can never make it to your 12th game or your 15th game that will succeed if you don't make your first one. I'm gonna leave it at that. So you have made it to the end of the video. Before you go click on some other video, I won't ask for like or subscribe. I just want you to do one simple thing. I know you have an idea, cause we all know creativity and innovation never dies. So I want you to write that idea in the comment box. Just do it. And every single time you open YouTube, you will see that I have hearted your comment. And you will remember that you have some work left to do. That's all for today. Keep making awesome stuff, everyone. Cheers and peace.